So, Dad might or might not have bought a new trailer. Then on top of that, we might have bought something even better. Where is Steven at? Oh, there he is. New Diamond C trailer, about 26 feet long, I think. It'll be nice. I will say it is weird having a jack that actually works. Well, good morning. It's April 20th. I guess we're finally gonna get to take the big girls to the field. Oh baby, she's ready to rock and roll. Woo! So I just put some ATS starter in the planter. Gonna go across the road here, gotta get my pickup, and then we're gonna hook on the seed tender. Go over there, we're gonna plant some 1157 today, or 1657 Pioneer white corn today. Maybe. I gotta make sure I got the valve off in the tank before someone comes over here and tries and fills it again. We're supposed to be getting more 28 and starter in here in the next couple days. Fill the tanks back up from wheat and everything else. Just what I thought. Shut that off. And that off. But yeah, there's 2 seed tenders. Sean's looking to see if he can start planting today too. And yeah, we're calling for rain tonight, later tonight. 70% chance. And yeah, usually by now we got a couple thousand acres planted, and we have nothing. Rough. The big girls get to play again today. I think Augie's just ready to go. He's just getting too antsy. You getting antsy yet, Augie?
I'll try it. Antsy enough, I'll try it.
That looks like it was a little wet whenever they tried to plant last time.
That was all you.
That was not me.
Oh.
All right.
Still waiting on you.
Whatever you say. There's someone's hat. Is that Trevor's?
That's
Xavier's?
Xavier's.
Well, let's go play in the dirt.
You want to leave it until the end of the season?
Yes, leave it there. See how long it'll last. Just to serve everybody with a little bit of an extra itch. We're running now. It's dusty out, working up nice, smooth and flat. Dad's getting ready to get the planter out now. He should be running here soon, actually. And yeah, it's gonna be a long night. I just called my teacher and told her that I'm probably gonna skip class because I probably need to get something in the ground rather than sit in a classroom and yeah. I mean, it's not dry, but I mean, what is dry anymore? Whatever. We're running. That's all that matters. See where his fertilizer's dripping on. Is there a corn seed though? Yeah, nope. Maybe there isn't. Maybe it's not planted. will be a even bigger planter behind that tractor. That is crazy. There it is, right there. See it down there? First seeds in the ground. April 20th, 22. Oh well. Let's go over and see if we can't catch up with them. We're preparing for a close-up of him picking up the planter. Oh well. Never know. Might be the only field we plant this year. I'm out here beside Augie now. Uh-oh. Ross is running. Will he take off? Probably not. I'll get some videos of him here in a bit.